everyone, it's your favorite AC and plumbing guy, Jay Monday, Cooling and Plumbing Company. Here we are again in Scottsdale in the middle of summer doing some AC work for a customer. Part of this remodel that we're working on right now is relocating the AC system. Prior to starting the renovation, we got out here for our customer and we took a look at the AC system and we did some maintenance and some service stuff. We got some code requirements taken care of so that it would at least run and be ready to go for summer. Now we're out here and we're actually relocating the system. One of the things that we're doing is we're centrally locating the elbow in the unit so that we can get the air to go to the house more efficiently instead of having to run across the entire attic. One of the other things we've done is we've taken this elbow and we've relocated it farther down from the ridge line. That way it's not so apparent from the street, and that'll give it some curb appeal. Part of a whole home remodel is doing the sewer piping. So coming out of the ground, going all the way up to the rooftop, replacing all the old cast iron, getting rid of all the ugly roof jacks that are up on the roof that are leaking over time. And same thing with air conditioning system. We start putting in exhaust fans. Some of the bathrooms and laundry room areas didn't have them, so we're adding them. So what we have to do is cut a bunch of holes in the roof. So it's really, really important to have a roofer come out and seal those for you. So you're gonna see a roofer come out and seal this roof jack and get rid of the old roof jack, which we can eliminate a bunch of leaks that the customer had every single year. And then we're gonna have some new T-tops put in and some new roof jacks put in. So the next video you see about the roofing is gonna show you a beautiful difference.